Hello, beautiful people from here, from there, and from everywhere. This is LezAma. This time, showing you another project which I have available on my Etsy store, ColorPaperColor. This kit of three different sizes of birds. The very teeny one, you can see the images more or less, and there are I think about 1 inch, 1.5. Then the medium size, which are about 2 inches, and the large size, which are about 4 or 5 inches, and another ones they are a lot bigger. So they are presented in three different sizes, each kit available at my Etsy store, ColorPaperColor. And this is a small project which I did it with them, making some envelopes. These are the envelopes, and using those images from the little one, the small ones in this case, with a vintage button and some laces too, and in this case ribbons and also wallpapers. The inside I like to put some small packets with very colorful fabrics. That will be the first one. Oh, and also I almost forgot to mention that this one is also a packet. So this is the first one. The second one will be this one. This is the ribbon that goes around, and then you kind of in this way go around this. Sorry, it's a little bit complicated by using one hand handles the cellular and the other one doing this, but so you have the idea there. Then this next one, and also we can open it, and then you'll see the inside has a small little pocket. All they have vintage buttons. They are so beautiful. That being all, it can give more character to them. Oh, then they have a little pocket, and here another secret spot to add something in there. And then we go to this one, and this one says fall in love with as many things as possible. Here's also a small packet to put or to add things that maybe are needed. A photo, some small letter, and this is the last one. This is with double packet there. That's the envelopes, and this one says you are capable of becoming more than you realize. And here is the other side with some stamping, and also mail stamps with another of my images from my backgrounds. And this is the other one with the entomology images, the stampings. This is the other one. This is the back of another envelope, and this is the last image of the envelopes. So, as you can see, this is my kit available, which I hope that you would like to come and see into my place. Color, paper, color. Be your life rich in happiness, love, and in great accomplishments. Y que el rebozo rodee tu vida de grandes momentos. Luego transfiere estos en el papel, escríbelos, dibújalos, ilumínalos, píntalos de color. Y así dejar grabadas las huellas de tus pasos por este paraíso llamado tierra. ¡Hasta la próxima!